My name is Adam. I'll be guiding you through the Sunderland Spiral Roundabouts tutorial, Route 3. Crossing the roundabout, third exit. Look to the right for a gap and then make progress. Look left, indicate left. At the next roundabout, we're going to turn right, third exit. Check your right blind spot, right mirror, indicate right and carefully move over if it is safe. The third exit is for the Tyne Tunnel, Newcastle, and the road is the A19 northbound. Begin to indicate right, and continue to do so until you have passed the third exit. You must stay in the right-hand lane to begin with. The lane to the left does not turn right. The stud markers guide you into the middle lane. The two right lanes both turn right, but given the choice, left is best. The stud markers now guide you, spiraling you to the left lane. Once you pass the sign, indicate left. Make progress down the acceleration lane to join the A19 north. Check your right mirror, indicate right, but remain in the left-hand lane. Before you emerge onto the A19, check your right blind spot to ensure you have a safe gap to emerge at the very end of the acceleration lane. Adjust your speed accordingly. Cancel your indicator and make progress. Like and subscribe for more useful tutorials. See you next time.